Welcome to Junior Journeys. Let's start our fruit adventure. Hello, kids. Today we'll learn the names of 25 yummy fruits. Let's visit our fruit basket. Apple. Apple is red and sweet. Banana. Banana is yellow and soft. Grapes. Grapes are small and juicy. Orange. Orange is round and tangy. Strawberry. Strawberry is red with tiny seeds. Pineapple. Pineapple is spiky outside, sweet inside. Mango. Mango is the king of fruits. Watermelon. Watermelon is big and refreshing. Cherries are red and tiny. Kiwi is brown outside, green inside. Peach is soft and juicy. Pear is green and sweet. Coconut has cool water inside and is very refreshing. Lemon is sour and yellow. Melon. Melon is round and sweet. Blueberries are tiny and blue. Green apple is crunchy and tangy. Guava is green and healthy. Tangerine looks like a small orange. Black grapes are sweet and juicy. Papaya is orange and soft. Plantain looks like banana but is cooked. Raspberry. Raspberry is red and bumpy. Apricot is small and orange. Muskmelon is sweet and fragrant. Great job, kids! You learned 25 fruits today. Eat fruits every day and stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more learning and educational videos.